From Gator, we got a new strike plate set that I am going to be installing on one of our exterior doors to replace one that over time and depending on the season just doesn't catch quite right. There's a little bit of an issue there. So we picked this up to help with that problem. And I can already tell, I haven't even installed it yet, but I can already tell it's going to make a huge difference. This is designed as a two-piece design to help with several different problems, and it's pretty genius. The first thing it does is when you overlay the two pieces and you set them up properly, you can see how it is on one side taking up more space than if you flip it around on install and do this. This allows a little bit more room, a little bit more space depending on your door frame and how it's set up. But if you've got, if you make it, you don't want to make it too loose because then you get door rattle. But one of the nice things is you see this has this tab right here that allows you to make little adjustments. You can take a flathead screwdriver and bend it out just slightly so that you still have a wide area for receiving the door latch, but then this little tab helps keep it in place with less rattle when you open another door, for instance, or the air conditioner kicks on or things like that. Overall, I think this is a pretty smart design, really ingenious design that's going to really help us in our exterior door problem that we have. Overall, if you're looking for a good, easy way to maybe solve that rattling door, to solve the problem of having to continually make little adjustments on existing striker plates depending on the season, I think this might be a good option for you. Check it out. It's by Gator. I think you're going to love it.